Hi everybody, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And today we are doing something a little bit different. And that is getting creative with micas. So my kids are home from school now, and of course I'm always looking for something to keep them busy and entertained and occupied. And so I got to thinking there's gotta be a more creative way that I can use some micas. And I came up with this. So, you know, I've been watching a lot of videos about acrylic paint and pouring, doing dirty pours and that sort of thing. And so what I did was I mixed up some micas with some School Safe Elmer's glue, as well as water. And I mixed them really well, so it gives me almost like a buttermilk consistency. So it's not quite as thick as like your typical paint, but I think it is going to work well for our purposes. And so I have mixed up boombox blue, celestial blue, some titanium dioxide with a little bit of, what is that? A little bit of the white diamond sparkle mica in there too. That's for my son. And then of course my daughter loves pink, so I've got her a container of titanium dioxide. This is the neon pink. And this one is called Fairy Tale Pink. All of these micas and the titanium dioxide are from Candora soap. Just to give you an idea, this is the glue that I use. So I just bought this off of Amazon. It's a pretty big jug of it. I actually got it to make slime because we really enjoy making slime. But it's working really well for this purpose. So right here is the first pour that I've done. And I just mixed, I think it was the Fairy Tale Pink, the Boombox Blue, and then some white. And in this one you can actually see there are little globs of glue in the white. So I've just mixed up the white again really well. And I think we're going to get my son in here, and he's going to do the first trial run for the kids, and we'll see if this is a winning activity. Can you wave? There we go. That's my son's hand. And his little hands are going to get on some gloves. All right, there's one. Let's put the next one on.
You see me?
Yep. And there's two little hands. Okay, buddy, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna pour some of this paint into this cup. And so what you do is you take a little bit and stir it up.
Oh, I wanted to put blue.
Okay, you can put blue, so give it a stir. Very good. And now you're just gonna pour just a little tiny bit in here. And we're gonna layer it. We're gonna do a bunch of different colors. Okay, good. Now, what would you like, the white or the other blue? The other blue. Okay, give it a good stir. Good stuff. Now you can pour a little bit into here. Good, okay. Okay. And now what color? White? Give it a good stir.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta give that a good stir.
It feels good on my hand.
Okay, you can pour it in whenever you're ready. Just a little bit, not all of it. Oh, very nice. Now would you like to do a little more blue?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This one.
That one.
I want it.
It's a nice color.
And
blue.
then a mix.
Yeah, you can give it a little mix. Now you can pour a little bit of it into this cup. Wow, okay. Whoa.
Now this one.
A little more white. I think that's a good idea.
Because it's not white. It's actually blue.
Good stuff. Okay, that's probably good, bud.
Really?
Yeah, I think that's probably enough. So let's move these back out of the way.
That one.
I will show you. I'm just going to move this out of the way for a second. I'm going to bring this in.
Yes, it fits.
It does fit. So now what you do is you take this cup that you mixed up and you get it nice. Can you use one hand? We're not doing it fast like that. Nope. Let me show you.
Yeah, I can do it with one hand.
Nice and slow. We're going to get it close to the paper. Wow. Doesn't that look beautiful?
It's like a tomato.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to save some of this. And now what you do is you use your hand and you pick this up and you tilt it to move the paint around very carefully.
Okay.
Nice and carefully. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Oops.
Nice and slow. Wow. Okay, put it back down. And I think it needs a little bit more paint. What do you think? It needs some in the corners?
Yeah.
Can you pour a little bit in the corner? Slowly. Okay. Wow, that's a good one. Now you very carefully tilt it. Nice and carefully.
You tilt it.
Yeah, because we want to get it right to the corners.
You're touching it.
That's okay. It's glue and color, and so it'll wash off with soap. Now you can, if you like, you can tilt it again just a little tiny bit to move the pattern around. Carefully, nice and slowly, nice and slowly.
Look, it looks like a tomato.
A tomato. What do you think? Do you like that? Do you like the way it looks?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you like to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am going to... There we go. And it's okay if your gloves get dirty like that. So I'm going to move this out of the way.
It is any green.
Here you go. No, I didn't make green this time, but you can still play with the blues and a little bit more white.
I've put some blue in here.
While my son is mixing his next batch of paint up, I have sprayed his last work with a little bit of 91% rubbing alcohol, and it actually makes some what they call cells appear in the artwork. So when I talk about using the rubbing alcohol to make cells, I mean all of those little spots that you can see, all of those little bubbles that kind of pop when I put the rubbing alcohol on it. So this is sort of our non-toxic way of doing an acrylic dirty pour piece of artwork. So this is up close on my son's artwork. You can see he definitely didn't go stingy on the glitter. It looks great. And again, I sprayed the 91% rubbing alcohol, so there's lots of cool little cells all over the place. So I like that. I think that's a pretty good summer activity for our first day of summer vacation.
That's beautiful.
I'm back with my daughter. Can you wave? Down here? There you go. And she is going to do this painting activity as well. So we're going to put some gloves on her. Here we are, some of the finished pieces from our session today. That purpley looking one is one that I made. And then these blue ones are from my son. A very, very pink one from my daughter. And then I just used the leftovers that were in that big bowl from the pour and just did a couple more. And here's my daughter's last one. So it's been a very creative day around the Northern Waters Cleansing office. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next video.